facilitate your learning, please make sure that a notebook or a piece of paper is prepared. Also, a pen or pencil is ready for you to make notes while watching the video. Thank you. May I have your full attention, please? All contents provided by this channel are meant for informational and educational purposes only.
High Island Reservoir in Sai Kung is
one of the most popular geopark attractions.
How do you read my mind?
It's because I know SVO structure. In the subject-verb-object structure, the subject comes first. The subject performs the action or being talked about. The subject can be a noun,
For example, hikers are a noun.
or a noun phrase.
A group of visitors, for example, is a noun phrase.
The verb comes after the subject. The verb expresses the action taken by the subject or the state of being of the subject. The verb is the essential element that brings dynamism to the sentence.
Admire is a verb. For example, and explore is a verb.
The object comes third in the SVO structure. The object receives the action of the verb and it completes the action initiated by the subject.
For example, the hexagonal rock columns are objects and rock formations are objects.
When you write, words are grouped together into sentences. There are a few simple rules you need to follow to make sure your sentences are clear. Firstly, a sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning, then a punctuation mark at the end, like a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Hikers are subjects. A sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning, so I change the letter H of the word hikers to a capital letter H, hikers. Also, I put a full stop after the objects, the hexagonal rock columns. Hikers admire the hexagonal rock columns.
Let me try. Firstly, a sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning. Therefore, I change the article a to a capital letter A. Then, a sentence needs a punctuation mark at the end. Therefore, we put a full stop after the objects, rock formations. A group of visitors explore rock formations.
Number 1. A guide are subjects. Leagues is a verb and educational tour are objects. Don't forget, a sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning, so I changed the article A to the capital letter A. Also, I put a full stop after the objects and educational tour. A guide leads an educational tour.
Let me see. Artists are subjects. Sketch is a verb and the coastal scenery are objects. A sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning. Therefore, I change the letter A of the word artists to a capital letter A, artists. Also, I put a full stop after the object. Artists sketch the coastal scenery.
Excuse me, please spend a few seconds to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Number 3. Field researchers are subjects. Collect is a verb and rock samples are objects. You know, a sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning. So I changed the letter F of the word field to a capital letter F, field. Then I put a full stop after the objects, rock samples. Field researchers collect rock samples.
Let me try. A class of students are subjects. Learns is a verb and about geological history are objects. A sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning, so I change the article A to a capital letter A. Also, I put a full stop after the objects about geological history. A class of students learns about geological history.
Please find me on Instagram under the surname Hi Anjun. Feel free to follow me and leave a comment on Instagram. Let's connect and stay in touch.
Complete the question in 1 minute. Let's check your answers.
If you would like to support my channel, please scan the QR code, then you can buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you. That's all for the video. If you enjoyed the video or find it useful, please like, subscribe, and smash the bell icon. Also, what would you like to do when hiking? Comment with your thoughts below. You're most welcome to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.